Welcome back, my beautiful people, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for the love and everything. This way wraps up to the man. Some brown stew and some rice and peas. So look what I go on. First things first, with chicken done, season, and guess what I go on now. Like we hot the pot. See it there? Pot well hot. Drop in with chicken them and now and start fry up with chicken them, man. See all two they go over there, so they are going easy themselves same way. Yes, man. Set that wing they good. Yeah, right there. So pot well hot. See it there? Look what I go on and now see color the way we want. So we'll take them out before they start burn. See, we don't want them burn. So we take them out and now take out the piece there over there and then leg there and then something there. We gotta take out everything. All the piece there over the corner there. So yeah, man, get them out, man. Everything. We don't want them burn, man. Properly caramelize and everything, man. That's all you want, man. Not more than that. So you know, say after we take out the chicken them now, we just get rid of the excess oil, man. We don't want no oil to cook down with chicken. Yeah, just like that. So we are throwing back everything. Yeah, man. Same so we are dealing with the thing, man. You see the thing look nice and lovely and beautiful, people. Love the color. So guess what I go on now? It's the container there. We just rinse it out, man. But guess what? We're not going to wash it and throw it away. It's the water there. Look there. Look there. Jesus God. This a chicken that have nice and taste good, man. Look, man. So we'll lock it down now, man, and low flame, man, and everything. Make everything go and cook and nice and, you know, yeah, mellow. So meanwhile that I go and cook and I don't know where you have to rub the chicken and I'll do that special boat. Special boat. And we not bother with the dirty place, you know, man. So guess what I go and make it go and wipe down the stove meanwhile. Yeah, man, the little part them are cool and the little crevice them and the little corner them. Make we go and wipe them down, man, and keep the place nice and clean. Yeah, man, look over there, so man, look like a mirror. Massa. Yes, man, so you don't know we have to open the pot 1 and 2 times and make the neighbor smell what's cooking. Yes, man, and then we just lock it down back. Lock it down back, that is it. Yes, no man, you don't know a thing go. After a while, chicken will spring some water and we'll add some ketchup. See, ketchup in the pot there. Yes, man, but this ketchup is a thing now where you have to kind of stir it out, you know. You have to stir it up, as Bob Marley did say. Yes, no man, make everything kind of dissolve in the sauce, in the gravy. Make everything nice and mellow. That is it. What you mean? That me I talk about. So, look the man. You don't know only some onion I man did have in my fridge, you know, with all some garlic, you know, cause hurricane pass through and all of my seasoning waste. You understand? Wanna spoil, rotten and all of that. So me have, you know, you have onion, so me just use what me have done me and I make fashion. Yeah, man, throw a piece over there, so see me. Set them good, now pack up everything one place. Yeah, spread them out. Yeah, man. Now we all lock down that, man, and make everything go and simmer down, man. Yeah, see me rice and peas pot over there, so. Yes, no man, open it and show it. Jesus, that me a talk about. Yeah, man, take up a plate and share some, man. Show them rice and peas too. Guys, if you do want to see this full video, check out the link in the bio or the link on the screen. I'll try my very best to post the full video on this clip right here. So, big up on yourself if you don't know. You have to share out some of this now. Yes, man, and take up on the biggest piece, boy. Yeah, that I biggest piece of tie. I look for the biggest leg now. Take out the biggest leg and put in this now. You don't know, no, another one. Move on, go over. Yeah, that the one that me I talk about. My God, just put in a plate, man, and we'll sauce up the thing. Yeah, man, you don't know, rice and peas and brown stew sauce. Nothing no beat that. Yeah, man, give me some more sauce in it, man. Yes, more sauce again. Jesus, more sauce again, boy. You know me love sauce on the rice, you know, Lord God. That me I talk about. Now lock it down, man. Left some later, man. See finish put out the people. I hit that. That me I talk about. Brown stew, chicken, or some people that's a HomeStyle same way, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know if everything come now, man. Rice and peas over there, so. My God, juicy, looking lovely. That me I talk about. So now check out the video, guys, and you can watch and see how everything was created from scratch. So you don't know why man have to sample some of this and show them what I go on, you know, so selfish. So put some rice in your mouth, man, and show them, man. Shake your head if it good. You hear that shake? Yes, man. See it there? Yeah, man. But you don't know 1 spoonful of rice and nothing, man. You have to give them a next spoonful of rice, man, and make sure say this time you make me know if it good. Yeah, just like that. So you eat good. show we say it good, man. Sure. Yeah, man, I show we chicken now everything, man. I make you know say everything nice, man. Lord God, the people nice and lovely and decent. That me I talk about. Yeah, man, guys. Anyway, you don't know the thing, go like, share, comment, subscribe, thumbs up on the video. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, see?